Hey everyone, Dr. Charlie Johnson, physical therapist. Have another video for you to help strengthen your neck on the go, okay? A lot of times you've been to physical therapy before or done other exercises. Sometimes it feels like a real regimen, right? Like you have to set aside a lot of time to get the exercises done. Probably the biggest issue while people fall off and they don't continue with physical therapy is they just get, number one, overwhelmed with the amount of exercises they're supposed to be doing, and number two, they don't understand why they're doing them, okay? So in this video, I'm going to share with you an exercise that you can integrate into your everyday lives to help you strengthen your neck and feel a little bit better, okay? This is really important for people who have neck pain, whether it be that it just started or you've had it for a while, and especially important for people who have had whiplash or been in car accidents, okay? This is called the Stoplight exercise, okay? So I'm not in the car. I would have filmed this in the car, but it's too cold outside, okay? So I know, boo-hoo, but here it is, okay? So it's called a stoplight exercise because rather than setting aside time to do this and, schedule this out in your day, you're just gonna do it as part of your routine. So I call it a stoplight exercise because you're going to do it when you're driving in your car and you're at a stoplight, okay? So in a previous video, I talked about good spinal position or preferred spinal position that tends to work well for most people, and that is if you have neck pain, maybe you notice that you kind of sit like this when you're driving. I want you to try to actually kind of picture that the chin is sitting on the edge of a table, and you slide that chin straight back so everything is kind of upright. Basically, just sit up tall would be the cue that you want to think to yourself. Once you sit up tall, okay, and you're driving, what I want you to do is I want you to take either your thumb or your fist, okay, and I want you to just basically push or nod gently into it, okay? So it's almost like you're trying to bring your chin to where like your Adam's apple would be. Not down towards your chest, but more nodding. Almost like you had a rod going through the ears. Sounds unpleasant, but think of it like that, okay? Where you would be spinning, right? Rather than actually moving the head, okay? So stoplight exercise, you pull up to the traffic light, you're sitting up tall, right? That's your first cue. And then you're just gonna hold your fist here, okay? And just nod into it. Okay, I would hold it if you can for the length of the stoplight. If you can't, maybe start with a 10-second hold and just repeat it throughout the day when you can remember it when you're sitting at a stoplight, okay? You'll feel that the front of the neck will start to activate, and you'll feel it'll get a little tired in the front of the neck. That helps strengthen some of the stabilizers of the neck, and this is linked to decreased strength in the neck is linked to chronic neck pain, people who have pain after whiplash, as well as people who have headaches that are coming from the neck, okay? So try it out. If you've been in a car accident, if you have neck pain that just won't quit, email me directly at charliejohnsondpt@gmail.com, or if you're in the Royersford area, call 484-552-3767. We'll set you up with an appointment. We'll check things out, okay? So thanks so much. Hope it helps.